Just when you thought things in the UK couldn't get any worse, a Sudanese asylum seeker has been declared a child by a UK judge. This is despite having thick facial hair, a receding hairline, and being of at least 23 years of age. So we asked the question, what is next for balmy Britain? In a shocking turn of results, a man that was found to be of at least 23 years of age by the Home Office assessment has now been declared a child by immigration judges. It is said that the 23-year-old had receding hairline and thick facial hair. But the migrant, who now cannot be named for legal reasons because he is now being treated as a child and will be during his application process after the ruling, despite serious concerns over his age. The man, who is now classed as a child, initially arrived in Britain by a dinghy on September 6, 2023, having travelled through Libya, Tunisia, Italy, France, after he fled the Sudanese war. Upon arrival, he claimed to be 16 years of age and 6 months old, claiming he was born on April 3, 2007, in Umdurra, near Khartoum. It is reported that officials from the Home Office and London Borough of Hounslow immediately disputed his age claim. The government assessors initially said the asylum seeker appeared much older than what he said, citing his receding hairline and evidence he had been shaving for a while. The Home Office officials also noted his broad chest, forehead wrinkles, and that he had crow's feet. After these initial observations, the migrant was placed in adult asylum accommodation in Hounslow, West London, but his legal team subsequently launched a judicial review of the decision. Due to this, in December 2023, a judge ordered that the asylum seeker, and this part is unbelievable, be moved to a children's accommodation where his case was decided. The final ruling, which was delivered by judges, including Hugo Norton-Taylor and Sarah Pinder, declared the applicant's date of birth is the 3rd of April 2007. So this now makes the unidentified man a legal child. And by him being a legal child, he will now be required to go to school. And that school will be the same school that your children go to. The thought that this man could be in the same school and classroom as your own children is just horrifying. But at the same time, you have to make light of these situations, because things nowadays are just so ridiculous. I mean, could you imagine parents' evening for this man, or child, whatever they want to call him? Or maybe when it comes to careers day, what he wanted to do when he left school. I suppose he could put experience down of being an escape artist. Or maybe he could be the next stand-in for Brad Pitt in the next following film of Benjamin Button. If you were to ask me, I would say that the judges are petrified of getting the outcome and result wrong. This would be because in previous cases, UK judges ruled age assessments of asylum seekers were unlawful. This came after 2 children were treated as adults and put through the adult asylum seeker system, who then came back and sued the Home Office. Just like this gentleman, who has now been found to be a child, has turned round and sued the Home Office for £30,000. It is believed that Hugo Norton-Taylor, who sits on the panel of judges with regards to immigration cases, was also responsible for the Palestinian refugees from Gaza who came here and used the loophole system with regards to the setup for Ukraine. It is believed that Judge Hugo Norton-Taylor also sat on the panel with regards to the 2 children that were put through the adult asylum seeker case. It seems very convenient that now the likes of Tommy Robinson are behind bars, that Keir Starmer and his friends are running riot, and that the justice system and the UK is falling apart. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. What do you think should be done about this matter? And what do you think about the judge's outcome and ruling? Do you think this should be appealed and heard? Or do you think the judges are right in their decision, just to make sure that they're not at liberty or liability of the outcome and result? I hope you enjoyed the video and the content. If you haven't already, smash subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button too. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next video.